Hey everyone, my name is Monroe Man, and I'm going to show you how you can make new friends all around the world on breakdiving.io. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to make a very short video here. I just logged in. And for those of you who don't know, breakdiving is a philosophy. Don't wait for opportunities to float to the surface. Instead, dive in and make your own breaks. And so if you want to make some new friends, well, that's what breakdiving is about. Go dive into this awesome worldwide community and make some new friends very, very easily. So I'm going to go over a few reasons why you're going to make new friends very easily. As soon as you join, you're going to do an introductory post right here. You're just going to do like new post. And for the tag, you'll do introduce yourself. And you'll put, hi, my name is whatever. My name is John. My name is Monroe, actually. My name is Monroe. And then you'll give your bio. Hi, I'm Monroe, blah, 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 blah. And you'll give your introduction. And what's going to happen is it's going to get posted right here. And and we have this thing called lonely posts. And you know, these are posts from members that need comments. So this is the first way you're going to make friends. Notice there's only 3 here. Because our members are so friendly, we always respond to each other. So when you post something, I just posted this just very recently, and now there's 1 comment right down here. And as soon as there are 3, it gets removed from here. So no matter what, every post you make will always get 3 comments. So that's one way we use psychology to make sure you feel like you have friends immediately, because nothing is ignored here on Breakdiving. So number 2, if you just write new posts, I promise you, look at as you look down, you'll see more and more of these comments here. This pawn has, this has 2. This was just 3 hours ago. 4, 24 comments, 7. You notice none of these have 0. 11, 7, and 8, and 10. I could go on and on, 8 and 7. So trust me, you come to breakdiving, it's not like all those other social media sites. People are going to respond to you. Secondly, you can come to live chat. You can click here on live chat. You can click chat up here. You can also click on chat right here. So let's click up here, the one at the top. And look at all these look at this. Here are my unread messages from just 22 hours ago. So many people already talking. You say good day, you will make friends with all these people here. Click on my chat rooms. I have a lot of them. When you first join, you're only in one chat room, this general one. But you can click on join a new chat room and join many more. We're starting to create these different country chat rooms. So for example, let's just click on Nigeria. For example, let's take a look. Look at all these unread messages since December 23rd. Woo! So many. So we click here and we go, you're going to make friends here, practicing foreign languages. Even here, have a cheer me up, please, where we all share whenever we're feeling sad or whatnot. And so we have wonderful, wonderful section here for that, to make friends. That's number 2 with this chat room. Number 3, upcoming events. So you can see them right here on this drop down. You can click on the events page right here. This is going to have, because I'm an admin, we have a lot of past events, but you're not going to see that. You're going to see these ones that are here, this week's events. So there's a BD powwow coming up. That's 4 people are registered. We don't have that many people registered for the ones that are coming up. We have 2 for the cash flow club. That'll happen once the holidays are over. It's December 31st today, so it's New Year's Eve. So you can come to these awesome events. And let me just show you something where these awesome events end up, and you can kind of see what they are. You can see a lot of these events on our YouTube channel. We have 250 subscribers now. We'll hope you'll come more, but go to youtube.com/breakdiving. There's our motto: no rules, no excuses, no regrets. Learn it and live it. And of course, remember that you are great. You are awesome. But if you come down here are some of our events. We had a virtual vacation to Zurich, Switzerland last week, a breakdiving chill chat 3 weeks ago, a powwow 3 weeks ago. We had another virtual vacation, this time to Sydney, Australia. I taught people about how to do covered call option trading on the stock market. I mean, we could keep more. A Rails Hackers event that's about coding. Divers Code, very inspirational. Fluency Project, we practiced our French. We have our book club meetings, 7 Habits. Look at all of these people. You can become friends with all of them and more very, very easily by coming to join our live events. And you can see them right here on the homepage. Those are the same ones: BD Power, Watch Us Code, Chinese Chat for Beginners. Those are just 3. I'm going to stop my screen share for a second because those are just three ways that you can make new friends through break diving. One is making new posts and people are going to respond, and or responding to other people. You're going to make friends that way too. Number 2 is come and join our chat rooms. We've got chat rooms on so many different subjects and everybody is nice. And number 3 is coming to join our live events that are like this on Zoom. I'm actually recording this on Zoom and I'm going to be putting it on YouTube, just like we do with our events. So if you're looking for new friends, if you're looking for inspiration, if you're looking for motivation, and you want to make friends with other people like you, who sometimes are excited and sometimes are sad, well, then guess what? That's the human race. And that's what we are all about. We're not about being rah, rah, rah all the time. If you're feeling sad, we will cheer you up. However, if you are feeling rah, 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 we're going to give even more fuel to your fire. So I hope you will come join us. It's at breakdiving.io. No rules, no excuses, no regrets. I warn you, there is a short application form you have to fill out. But why do we do that? To make sure that everybody knows the rules. So on all the other social media, they'll take anybody. They just want your personal data and they'll take it regardless. We're a not-for-profit. We don't care about your personal data. We want to keep it safe. We care about your well-being and your friendships and increasing your happiness and success in life. So I hope you will come join us. And remember, it's breakdiving.io. See you in the community. My name is Dr. Monroe Mann on behalf of the most awesome, supportive, inspiring, and positive social media community on the planet. Boom, 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 boom.